Kill Spider-Man. We'll give you all the tritium you need. A second thought. Bring him to me. Alive.
How do I find him?
Peter Parker.
Parker?
He takes pictures of Spider-Man for the Bugle. Make him tell you where he is.
Have it ready.